The Constitution of the Bahamas is now under review by the Constitutional Commission mandated to prepare the electorate for a referendum. And as Janaea Noel Ferguson tells us, the commission met briefly today with Commission Chair Sean McQueenie addressing the mandate.
The 13-member Constitution Commission, made up of a cross-section of the Bahamian public, headed by former Attorney General Sean McSweeney, has a broad mandate to build on the first commission that was disbanded after May 2007. That former commission's recommendations on constitutional reform never materialized, but McSweeney says there is no need to fear of that happening this time around.
The same thing about this one is that this is starting essentially the beginning of a new term of government, and we have a very ambitious, very aggressive mandate to report rather quickly. So there's every expectation that the political will, being what it is at the moment, that there's really no danger of the commission meeting the fate that the last one did.
Mr. McSweeney explained that this will be more of an updating exercise to the work of the former commission. It's because of this that McSweeney says public consultation will not be as pressing.
If we think that there are particular areas that do in fact require a greater degree of public consultation than we would have originally anticipated, again, the media will be informed of that. And also it'll give you an opportunity to just ask us generally on how things are going, any problem areas that we've encountered, any delays, any setbacks, any challenges. We intend to be very transparent with this process.
In early August in the House of Assembly, Prime Minister Perry Christie announced that it is anticipated that the Commission will pay particular attention to the need to strengthen fundamental rights and freedoms of an individual, whether the Bahamas remains a constitutional monarchy or evolve into a republic, or whether or not the Bahamas will have a final court of its own, ridding itself of the Privy Council and rules on capital punishment. While one issue will not take precedence over the other, McSweeney said there will only be one referendum for all issues.
The idea is to have all of the issues put before the electorate, as I said, in May or June of next year. Be dealt with in one fell swoop.
But what if there are differences within the commission?
To the extent that there are sharp differences of opinion on the commission, I think that's something that we would identify to the government. We may say that, look, the majority of members, may want a particular recommendation to go forward, but, we're almost evenly divided. So this is something the government has to consider to the extent that that division may mirror divisions within the country. So we're going to try to keep this as informal as possible. We don't anticipate anybody having to come up with a minority report, that sort of thing. We will endeavor as far as possible to get consensus, and we'll spend a lot of time trying to get consensus. But, there's no whip on anybody. There's no party whip here. We would hope that the members here are not serving any political party. They're serving the national interest, as I said at the end, a short while ago. But we're going to all, put our shoulders to the wheel.
Janaea Noel Ferguson, ZNS News.